high-res bird data uncovers hidden population declines. A new study from the Cornell Lab of Ornithology, published in Science on May 1st, has revealed that bird populations across North America are experiencing their steepest declines in the very areas where they were once most abundant. Based on over 36 million bird observations analyzed via high-detail mapping, the findings challenge long-standing assumptions about where conservation is most urgently needed. Cornell researchers hit a major milestone by mapping bird populations across North America at a highly detailed 27 kilometers by 27 kilometers scale, about the size of a large city. They combined millions of bird sightings from eBird, their crowdsourced data platform, with satellite imagery to create a much more precise view of population trends than was previously possible. This was no small task. The team ran over 500,000 simulations, clocking more than 6 million hours of computing time. Using advanced statistical models to filter out bias in the data, they were able to pinpoint real population changes instead of noise from uneven reporting. The bottom line: precision changes the game. This kind of high-resolution, data-driven approach reveals patterns that broader summaries often miss, giving conservation teams better insights to act on. A new framework for environmental decision-making. One of the most critical insights from the study is that 83% of the bird species analyzed are declining fastest in the places they were historically most numerous. For many grassland and Arctic tundra species, these losses suggest that environmental conditions in once stable ecosystems are deteriorating, possibly due to changing land use, habitat fragmentation, or climate impacts. At the same time, the analysis identified bright spots where nearly all bird species, 97%, are seeing local population growth. These locations offer potential clues to successful conservation strategies or naturally resilient environments that could support recovery if managed effectively. For conservation professionals and environmental service providers, the study opens new pathways to allocate resources more precisely. With high-resolution data, interventions can be more tightly focused, targeting areas where declines are most pronounced and identifying locations where recovery is already underway. Perhaps most importantly, the research validates the role of large-scale participatory science efforts like eBird. By combining public contributions with cutting-edge analytics, organizations can gain actionable intelligence on biodiversity trends at a fraction of the cost of traditional field studies. This model could set a new standard for ecological monitoring in both public and private sectors. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites by and eLeader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team today.